Just gonna. What was that? Again! Alright. He got in. Cars just flying by. What if he drive away? What if I might have my CD in there still? Oh my god! That's a 2000 seconds. What is that? Is that a fire or something? Oh my god, I think it is. How can you not see? Turn the light on. Oh my god, it's too bright. I'm gonna see take off. He's gonna be late for work soon.
Oh, he got in the car.
Oh. That's what everyone do. He's heating the car up. I can like see the yellow. But the yellow? What does that mean? The hazels? What does that even mean? He might say, ooh, that Honda. Alright. Alright, he got the brake, holding the brakes. I wonder if he might take off. He got back on camera! I'm just holding my phone like this. So there we go. I'm gonna like leave it right here. You can see the red light. It's weed driving at night. It's weed driving. Oh my god! I almost slipped. I'm on the wet carpet. You said I'm gonna He making fun of me. His girls are fun of me. Like that boy is a cat. Yeah. Like, oh, he's driving off. Yeah, the lights. Oh my god, was that blinking? Like blinking. Sorry. Alright, the red lights. Oh my god, that guy's speeding. That guy is actually speeding. Oh my god. But he might take off. He's taking forever to take off. This video's 3 minutes. Oh my god. Let's see him. You can like see my face. You can like see my face. Basically, I'm holding the camera. Oh, he's taking off. Look at that. Look at that. He's took off. Look, he's like the best driver. He's taking me to school tomorrow. That's where his job is at. Wait, he stopped. Why? Oh. Oh, he's on. Well, I guess I'm gonna go to the camera.